Here are the skills that actually matter for a full stack developer in 2026. No hype, just the practical ones, explained simply. There are 8. A few are about your craft, a few about working with AI. Let's take them one at a time and keep it simple. First, the everyday craft, the skills that stay yours no matter what. Here's a surprise about AI written code. It almost always runs, but only about half of it is actually safe to ship. Take this. The top line lets a stranger read your whole user table. The bottom line blocks it, and AI writes the top one all the time. So skill 1, review code you didn't write. Write the test first so it becomes the spec, and ask what the code quietly assumed. Skill 2, TypeScript. Think of it as spellcheck for your code. It catches mistakes the moment you type them. Most developers have already switched. You told it this needs a number. Give it one and it just works. Hand it text by mistake and it stops you, clearly, before anything runs. Skill 3, pick one stack and really learn it. Good news, the tools finally stop changing every month, so going deep actually pays off now. Depth just means knowing the whole journey. How a click travels from the browser to your server to the database and back. That's the real edge. Skill 4, get comfortable with a database and make it Postgres. It's the default now. It can even do AI-style search, so you skip a whole second database. Learn just enough SQL to read this. It shows a slow scan. Add an index, and 3 seconds becomes 30 milliseconds. And always guard your security settings. Now, the 4 skills built around AI itself. This is the fun part. Skill 5, the big one. Building with AI models, not training them. 3 things matter. Finding the right info, letting it take actions, and checking it works. It looks like this. The AI thinks, uses one of your tools, reads the result, then answers. You're not training it, you're wiring up that loop. Let the model use your tools. Feed it clean, relevant information. Test it like real code. And watch the cost. That's what quietly kills these projects. Skill 6, MCP. Think of it as one universal plug. Before, every AI app needed its own custom wire to every tool. Now they all share the same one. Best way to learn it? Build one small connector for a tool you already use. And remember, you decide exactly what it's allowed to touch. Skill 7 really changed how I work. Agents aren't slow, they drift, confidently building the wrong thing. The fix is simple. Say clearly what you want first. Write down what done looks like before any code. Keep your rules in one file, the agent reads. Then review the plan, not just the result. Skill 8, ship it and keep it safe. Here's a wild one. About 1 in 5 packages an AI suggests doesn't even exist. Attackers create those names and wait. Let your tests block a bad release. Lock your dependencies down. Watch your app once it's live. Learn the common security holes. And treat any text an AI reads as a possible attack. And one last idea, the one that ties the whole list together. Here's the thread through all 8. Every one is really the same job, taking something vague and turning it into something that actually works. That part stays yours. So that's the list. Writing code got cheap. Making sure it's right didn't. Put your energy there. If this helped, subscribe and I'll see you next week.